Song?
Yeah.
Paw Patrol.
Go, 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 go.
Paw. Ah, no. Hey, what do you have today?
We have Patrol.
Let me see it. Okay, so we have a giant surprise egg. This is a giant surprise egg. We don't know what's inside, right?
And Sky.
There's Chase.
And Rubble.
Chase, Marshall. That's not Rubble, that's Marshall.
Hi.
Hi, Celine. Welcome to Celine Play World. Say it one more time. Celine Play World. Okay, what do you have today?
We have Patrol.
Let me see it.
It has Sky, Chase, and Chase.
Well, no, let me see. Okay, so we have a giant surprise egg. This is a giant surprise egg. We don't know what's inside, right?
And Sky.
There's Chase.
And Rubble.
Chase, Marshall. That's not Rubble, that's Marshall.
Chase.
Marshall.
Sky. Marshall.
Yay! And Sky. Whoa!
It's $20.
It's what?
It's $3.
It's $3? Okay, well, look at this. A Paw Patrol.
Now let's open it.
Do you know how to sing this? The Paw Patrol song? Paw Patrol.
Go, 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 go.
Ah, no! Let's do it one more time with the egg. You want to hold the egg and sing?
Yeah.
Okay. Paw Patrol.
Go, 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 go.
Go, go. Okay, you want to open it?
Yeah.
All right, let's open it. Okay. Open it. Open it, Celine. Whoa! Let me see it. Let me see it. Hold on, let me see so I can figure it out. It needs to come out. Oh, it's tape. Okay. Ah! Whoa! Hold on. There's tape in here. Hold on. Whoa! Hold on. Let me take off the tape. Whoa! Look at all this candy! Whoa! Wow, so many candy. Let's see it.
I love this light.
This one?
I like this candy.
Let me see. Who's that?
It's
Look, this is Marshall jelly beans.
I want to try it.
We're gonna try them in a little bit. Let's see. This is Paw Patrol Marshall jelly beans.
Get me.
Hold on. And this one, oh, this one is the same. Okay. And this one is Sky. This is Sky Paw Patrol Tangy Candy. Ooh. There's also where's Chase? We need to see Chase. Where's Chase? Where's Chase Candy? I don't see Chase Candy. Only Marshall and there's only Marshall and Sky. I don't see Chase. Chase is only on the photo outside. Look how much candy we got. Ooh, look how much candy.
I want this guy.
Which one?
I want this.
Okay.
Let's open this guy.
Okay.
But it looks like this.
Alright, I'm gonna open. Okay, first we're gonna try. Let's try Sky. Sky, let's try Sky. Do you like it? Wow! And what about this one? The jelly beans. This is Marshall's jelly beans? Okay, let's try this one. Try it. Whoa! Let me see the jelly beans. Whoa! It's okay. No, don't. If it's on the floor, we'll throw it away. Get another one. Do you like it? Whoa, it's so nice. Wow, look at all this candy we got. Whoa, so nice. And it all came in this giant egg, right?
Yeah.
This giant egg over here.
Try this one.
Okay, Celine. Okay. So this is it for this video, okay?
No.
Say bye. See you next time.
Bye.
Bye.